Okay, first graders, I'm just going to get you going on your math pages for today, and then tomorrow you can come back and see if you got the answers correct. Okay, so this is the math packet, and for today we're just going to do the front and the back of the first page. So here on the front, it wants us to do equal parts in red. So any shape that is divided into equal parts, we are going to color red. Remember, equal means they are all the same size and shape. Okay, and then unequal parts, so shapes where we see that they are not divided into pieces that are the same size and shape, we are going to color those shapes blue. Okay, so we're just going to look quickly across this top row together, and then you'll be able to go finish it out by yourself. So looking at this first shape, we have a square, and it's broken into 4 smaller squares. And you can see if I could pick up this square and set it down on top of this square, they would line up perfectly. And I could do that with each of these pieces. So that tells me that this square is divided into equal parts. And because they are equal, we are going to color it red. Okay? And this doesn't have to be your very, very nicest coloring. Just make sure that you know that this one is equal parts. Okay, what about this one? If I picked this triangle up, so again we have a square, if I picked up this triangle and set it down straight on top of any of these, they wouldn't quite line up yet, but if I took this and I flipped it over, it would line up perfectly. So it is the same size and shape, it's just they're just turned in different directions. Okay, but that doesn't change the size and shape. So this one is, again, equal parts. So again, I'm going to color it with the red. Okay. Looking at this one, we have a circle that's been cut into different slices, and looking at those slices, are they the same or are they different? Okay, all of them, well, most of them have some place they can line up. Like that one looks like it would probably line up with that one, and that one looks like it would probably line up with that one, but that one doesn't have any buddies, and this one don't match, and this one don't match. Okay, so while there are some that are the same, as a whole, it is made up of unequal parts. Not all of the parts are the same. Okay, so equal parts, they all have to match, not just some of them. So even if some of them do match, but some of them don't, then we still put it down as unequal parts. Okay? Okay, here we have another square. And again, we see some parts match, those match, but do those match or those? No. So because not all of them match, these are unequal parts. So again, it will be blue. And then here we have another circle. What do you think? Are these equal or unequal? If you said unequal, you are correct. These are unequal. Okay, so go ahead and you'll work on the rest of that on your own. On the back of this page, it's coloring by fractions. So we are looking for shapes that are in halves, which is 2 equal parts. So and those are going to be in red, and I'm going to put a 2 next to that. And then fourths are going to be in blue, and fourths have 4 equal parts. And you might remember another name for fourths is quarters. Okay, so fourths, if it's in fourths, we are going to color it blue. And then finally, if it's in thirds, we really haven't talked about thirds yet, but if you know halves are 2 parts and fourths are 4 parts, how many parts do you think thirds are? They are 3 parts. So if we see shapes cut into 3 equal parts, we are going to color them green. Okay, we're going to start together. We're just going to come down this side, and then you'll be able to finish the rest of it on your own. Okay, so looking here at this shape, I see that it has 1, 2 pieces. So if it's cut into 2 equal pieces, what do we call that? Halves, and we're going to color it red. So 2 equal pieces are halves, and I'm going to color it red. Okay, here I have 1, 2, 3 equal pieces. 3 equal pieces are called what? Thirds, and they are green. Okay, here I have 1, 2, 3 equal pieces again, so it's thirds again. Keep using that green here. And finally, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. That's called fourths, and it is going to be blue. Okay, so there's a start. Go ahead and you can finish this page as well, and then tomorrow you can come back and you can check and see if you got all the answers right. Okay, see ya!